Hi, I'm Mindy. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We're solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention systems. Today we're going to talk about how to install our products. So let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing a C22 clamp-on on a 1 3/4 inch snap lock standing seam. Tools you'll be needing: a torque wrench set to 30 foot-pounds, a 9/16 and a 7/16 inch deep well socket, a 4mm Allen, a chalk line, a tape measure, and a grinder with a cutting disc or a hacksaw. Let's get right to it. Take your C22 clamp-on, designed for a 1 3/4 inch snap lock. Again, make sure your teeth, the side with the nut, is located with the side with the hem. Our 1 3/4 inch clamps are designed for the teeth to go in the indentation of the 1 3/4 inch, not underneath the seam. The teeth need to go into the indentation shown here. Take your clamp, align it up so, finger tighten your clamp. Again, making sure that your teeth are in your right location. Take your torque wrench, set to 30 foot-pounds, and start tightening the clamp. Make sure you don't just ratchet 1 to 30 foot-pounds, that you rotate. You can start at the bottom or start at the top, but just make sure you don't torque 1 to 30 and go back. You want an even load. Should be there. Take your pipe and install it. Make sure your pipe doesn't extend more than 6 inches past your terminated clamp. Where you have terminations, install collars. Collars provided by TRA Snow and Sun. Take your collar, insert it. Again, making sure your pipe does not extend more than 6 inches. Take your 4mm Allen, find your set screw, and tighten to roughly 12 foot-pounds. Take your end caps and install at your terminations. That concludes the install of a C22 on a 1 3/4 inch snap lock panel. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or email us at sales@trasnowandsun.com and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.